Low-key, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys, them know me. Since '06, I've been writing this story.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Loaferette and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Alright y'all, it's that time of the year again. We're going to Miami Carnival. We're going from the Wednesday to the Wednesday and Abby is excited. We have gone to a lot of Miami Carnivals in the past, but I feel like this year is going to be super grand, super great. We're going with a bunch of our friends and I just feel like it's going to be vibes. So if you guys want to see us in Miami Carnival or a vlog from Miami Carnival, please keep on watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. All right, let's get on with the video. All right, as the title suggests, we are going to Miami Carnival. However, this vlog will be or encapsulate us getting ready, the prep for the carnival, the nails, the hair, the shoes. Yeah, I gotta get the shoes. I keep forgetting about getting the shoes. I'm gonna show y'all all of that, and then I don't know if we'll piece this one up because it's a lot of footage to go through and your girl can be tired and lazy, as you guys can see from the lack of videos consistently. So we got a lot of things to do this week. It's gonna be crazy and I'm about to go do my nails. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and just sit down and get comfortable because I'm always on the go. We're not just going to Miami Carnival, we're also going back home. Well, my country, Antigua, look out for the vlog for that. And we're also going to Dominica, look out for the vlog for that. But those are going to be separate vlogs. And we have to travel. We're not just traveling to Toronto to catch a plane. We're traveling to Maine. From Maine, we're going to Boston. And then from Boston, we're catching a plane to go to Miami. It's going to be amazing. Just come along with me.
Them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know me below. Music shows me, just know this and know me.
All right, y'all, nails are done. And this is what I got. I think she did a really good job. You guys can't see the beauty of this because they're different colors. So I'm gonna just put like a photo or a video right here. She did the damn thing. Super happy. I wish they were longer. Like I wish they were like claws, like long claws, but I got work, so can't be doing any long nails. But I'm so happy that I got that out of the way. So tomorrow it's gonna be the hair. But
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side.
it is the next day, y'all, and we're on our way to do our hair. Woke up hella early this morning so I can get some work done, so I'm happy about that. When I say hella early, I'm talking about like 3-4 o'clock in the morning. Early, okay, so I can get a lot of work done, so I can go and do my hair, and then when I get back I'll continue. Hair already has been straightened or blown out because we don't do bone straight around here. We're still a natural. Even though we're lazy, we are still a natural. All right, y'all, we're at the house or the place or the spot, and I'm about to go get my hair done. We have secured the hair. You guys would have seen from the last clip. She did a good job. I have to do my baby hairs and all that jazz, but them jumps is too long. I don't know if I'll keep it long. Still thinking about it. It looks really nice though, long. For now, it's time to pack. Those cookies are not for me. They might be, but yeah, now it's time to pack. And I don't know if you guys have packed with me before, but the OGs would know that I usually pack Brad's stuff first because guy stuff is easier, and then I do mine. Alright y'all, so it is the next day and it's time for me to pack. I've already gone ahead and like put out some of my things here. I absolutely love like laying out the shoes that I plan on wearing, the bags and all that jazz, and other things that again I'm going to be wearing. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack. I don't know how much I'll be able to film because I need to charge this camera, so we'll see.
Magic every time I look to you. make a just love you. Hold you for life.
All right, y'all, we're all packed and everything. Don't mind the craziness. We're gonna be on our way to Maine. First, we gotta get my shoe. So we're gonna go to the mall there in Kitchener, and then we're gonna head to Maine.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no big you.
Last minute things collected. We do have a few more to get, so we'll probably do that when we get to Maine or further out, but we're about to head out. Brad is hungry, y'all. Like, I don't know, y'all haven't seen Bradley for the vlog so far, but here he is feeding his face.
Them no big you, my vibe. No big you, them no big you, them no big you.
All right, 11 hours and 5 minutes later, and we have made it. Your girl is tired. Brad drove most of it because your girl is tired. So it's just time now for us to go up in there and like look at all the packages that we bought, see if everything fits. Just, yeah, get it done.
If you hit your enemies shine. If you not depend on me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. But there is no sacrifices. Everything was taken, you had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. Vibe killer.
Good?
That's solid.
How the fuck you done so you little cheese scores and the game just start?
Ooh. This is really good. Shout out to Little Crackhead right here for the
I'm gonna look like a warrior.
for the recipe. It's so good. Bradley loved it.
You gave us
Oh, we're making whiskey sour, by the way. Cheers. All right, my people, it is the next day and we are on our way. Oh, that didn't make so much noise. The door open?
the key nut inside there.
Oh, don't mind the noise, but we're on our way to do our toes. Finally on our way to do our toes, get a bit of last minute shopping all together. This one here, no obvious stuff up fierce. Yeah. I can't wait to come back to eat more of that. Alright, y'all, so they got this blue here, so I think I might get this because the other spot didn't have it in Canada. So I might have to get this one.
This is smooth.
Alright, y'all, so we're about to get some eats from Shaking Crab. Jolene and her husband has been telling us about this place for the longest while. They've been bragging, putting shit on social media and stuff. So I was like, you know what? I need to try it.
Yeah, like a seafood texture.
And I'll be the judge.
You see my bitch, say she hot bad. Anytime I knock with that. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. But do you cool? I'm happy that.
That was really, really good. They think we're driving. There ain't nobody driving here, okay? Because the itis is about to hit me.
So you and Jolene on the driver's room?
Answer, no. But Shaking Crab is really, really, really good. I would definitely be coming back the next time we're here.
I find all you want.
Alright, y'all, so it is the next day, and I don't know if I told y'all, but my neck piercing, I'm not sure if you've ever seen it. It came out yesterday, and actually 2 days ago, and I need to go put it back in. So we're on our way to a piercing / tattoo spot to get it. So hopefully they're open. They said that they open at 10 o'clock. It's 10:07. They refused to answer the phones, but hopefully they're open because I'm gonna need my shit to be in. I don't want it to be closed. You know, hot girl. All right, y'all, we are right here getting ready to get this shit done. I have to go to another spot called True North Tattoos and Piercings. Hopefully we can, you know, get the piercing done. We called ahead and the girl was talking some bullshit, but hopefully they can get my neck piercing in, and then my mind can be at ease. All right, y'all, so we went to this place, and let's just say they weren't nice people. They weren't trying to make us record anything, didn't record anything of me getting the piercing, but we finally did. It cost me, I want to say $45 just for them to put this in. And it was just a bunch of red tape when I'm used to them just putting back in my stuff without all the extra stuff. But anyways, we got her done. All right, y'all, we're working through a customization because the skirt I bought did not fit. It was too short. So like literally this skirt can't fit me. So we took the crosses out to put on the pants. So the skirt came with these crosses here and we're putting it on these pants. Shout out to dude.
I thought this was like a late t-shirt or something.
Alright y'all, so this is my first time doing someone else's wig. I'm excited. Yo, I forgot to cut like ears out, her eyes out. She be alright because we didn't want the runners and all that jazz. But like, first I'm doing someone else's stuff, but I've done it to myself before. And I feel like it's gonna come out really good. It's giving bald. Lots of bald. As he came would say, banned for an hour. All right, y'all, so we are ready, packed, going now. Oh, bitch is excited. It's a lot, just a lot, y'all. We made it to the terminal.
About damn time.
About damn time. Boston, y'all airport ain't shit. I say that right now. But we made it.
About that, they never go. Come on.
Drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space.
All right, y'all, we made it to the Airbnb. I got the rental. It's looking like somebody's uncle's van, but we moved. We're about to head up into the Airbnb. Your girl is tired. I would like a shot, to be fair.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No, go fambo.
So I want to show you guys a part of the house because, again, I didn't stay in all of it, and it was quite a bit of us in this particular Airbnb, but it was pretty massive. Like, I didn't expect the Airbnb to go that far back, but it's a lot. But here we are meeting up with everybody else, and yeah, just them eating. Oh shit, was that mine? I hope it wasn't mine. Oh, shit. Good morning, my people. I'm super excited. Just wanted to show y'all this. This was a hole last night. I ain't show y'all because I was gonna show y'all this morning, but this was a giant hole. Now they came and like cleaned it up. I just feel like the owner should at least let us know, like, hey, there's going to be a giant hole there. Don't worry, it's going to be cleaned up by whatever date. We just hear the hole was there and it was gone. Like, no communication or nothing. But yeah, I'm about to go pick up my sister. She went to go do a little waxy wax. And I can't find the car. I legit, like, they just came back in. I don't see the car. All right, y'all, nobody stole the car. They just parked it really far. Today we're gonna go to the mall real quick. I still need to find the little 1-2 from Sephora to make my skin be a little bronzy because the girl is looking a little pasty. And then from then, we're gonna go and pick up our costume. My cousin who lives over here has some stuff that we ordered, so we gotta get that from her. Just a bunch of stuff to do today. Y'all, I've been looking for this body roll from this brand for the longest while, and they never have the shade I want. It's very, very, very stressful. They record you, you record me. Oh shit. And I forgot to mention, everywhere that we went to a bunch of different places, but I also went to Sephora to get this bad boy. Finally got it at the second Sephora. It's Thursday and I'm picking up my costume because they haven't pushed back anything for me. Some of them have to pick up their costume. Actually, the rest have to pick up their costumes tomorrow. So I don't know, but I'm here. Medz is excited about to pick up the costume. Hopefully they have my shit. So good.
So I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture.
So we went. What did we do last night? We went to this place or this lounge called Maze Lounge. It was not the best. It was boring. The TikToks were giving it a lot of credit than what it really was. Like, we thought we were going to see like belly dancers and stuff, but they ain't have none, at least that night. It was just us and two other people on another table. So it was pretty boring. Like, I did not enjoy it, but the hookah was good. The drinks were strong. So we just had hookah and drinks. So now today we're getting ready to go to Medz, which is like the party. We have not been going to like back to back parties. We haven't gone to any parties per se, but now is when it starts. Like, as soon as Medz hits, it's just back to back parties. So right now I'm just getting ready to go. All right, y'all, your girl is dressed and ready to go. Just waiting on a few people. If you guys want to see my outfits, y'all know the scene. Check out my Instagram at LOAFERETTE. Loaferette. Let me see outfits. All right, y'all, we're on our way to Medz. Una ready?
Yes, I am.
Una ready? Una ready?
I remember when I get up, we're gonna look for that.
I'm literally asking you a question.
You guys are getting
Una ready?
I'm getting
Una ready behind there?
as ready as I'm gonna be.
That's ready.
Alright, y'all, so we made it to Medz. We're about to go in. Look at it. Yeah. However, unfortunately, I'm gonna have to close off the vlog here. Check in for part 2 when we're going to all of the fests as well as playing maths and Juve. Okay? But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying it so far. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Also, don't forget to smash the notification bell so you do not miss another upload. And also follow me on all my social media accounts, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I'll see you guys next time. Hey!